me wherever it wanted before it knew that I was a liar. 'Cause I walked every day with the spirit that haunted the house of my love and set it on fire. Oh, and the flames, they burned high as they lit the sky above me, orange and red and hotter than hellfire. But that house, it was strong, yeah, stronger than a mountain, built on loving arms and wild desire. Oh, but she loves like a woman should, and she knows that I ain't no good, but she don't give a damn and she loves me anyway. Ashes, they feel cold, agree upon the limestone. Here no snakes can live and multiply. But I rose from the rubble, a brand new coat of armor. Now I know our love will never die. Oh, now, yes, we know we will never be forsaken. We got a lot of luck left on our side. Forever and ever we'll look back on the wreckage and leave behind the place we used to hide. Oh, but she loves like a woman should, and she knows, Lord, that I ain't no good, but she don't give a damn and she loves me.